It's still mango season. What you just walk us up, people?
Oh.
Coconut.
Yes. Damn coconut.
No, sir.
If this is coconut, babe, what is this out there? Because I have banana planted. I have banana planted. So what is it?
Is banana planted?
This is banana, this is planted.
Oh, cool. I didn't even know. See, that's how much. Alright, we're gonna plant them tomorrow. Oh no, you gonna plant them. Another day. Another fruit. What we have, babe?
This is planted.
Plantain? On the ground. Some canned trash. That's it? Haven't you put anything else in there?
No, I put cane trash and this product called mocap, so that to stop banana infection fungus.
Okay.
It's a powdery product.
So stop what?
Stop there's an insect that will insects stop just to stop insects and other stuff from eating out the banana when you transplant it.
Okay.
So sometimes you'll plant banana and it wouldn't come, and that's because insects attack it.
Okay. Hold it.
You got
Oh, the sunflower in my bag. Okay, so which one is this now?
This is banana.
And how do you end up knowing the difference?
So planting banana here, this part of the banana stem is darker and plantain is lighter.
Okay.
And that's how you differentiate.
There's more, so I can share. Banana. We got some peppers and scallions and tomato in these 2 bags. This is how we know they're surviving. New leaves on like every single one of them. Every one of them have everyone have new leaves. That is what? Cane mulch?
Yeah. They call it cane trash.
Cane trash.
Which is the waste from the cane. Take it and then.
And what we're doing is planting coconut. You see the coconut real quick? That's
So,
one of them.
I debark it a little bit so the roots come through faster to speed up the process. So now,
Just gonna place it right there, so.
just gonna turn up this dirt here, so.
Background music right over there, so. And we have 4 of those to do.
is the fourth one. This ain't the last one, that's for sure. This is just the fourth.
Fourth one that had limbs where the goat didn't get to.
I know.
Anything we go to catch that we don't plant immediately had that either eaten up or, well, not or just eaten up.
Just eating up.
And can be used again.
Yep.
So became food. That's why we put up the fencing around, the fencing in the background here. So everybody have their respective area. Everybody can coexist as long as you, the farmer, put the right things in place.
Beautiful sunset.
Keep everybody in order. Alright, so that's it.
That's it. Yes, sir. Okay, so what do you plan on putting right here?
I'm gonna be planting a lime tree that's sprouted wildly on the lot next door.
Yeah.
That's where we normally would throw all the old stuff to compost, where also the cows would have ate and stuff. But this lime tree made it, and I'm saying lime, but it's not strongly like lime. I know it's not orange.
No, but it's something you can see that
lime.
it has thorns on it.
Lemon is not lemon, or what you'd call sour oranges, wasn't used previously and frequently shown in that area.
Let's see the roots real quick. There's the roots. Oh, I gotta tell you about this mango tree. Hold on.
Before I get into it, I just want to say we have a fence. That's our fencing right there. A fence, a legitimate fence. And the goats got in, and everything gone down. This used to be a coconut tree right here. Gone. There's the pumpkin patch them coming through. Dry but still. Dry. They got that. So this is how apparently she got in. Look. Oh, you're laying down. She actually just did it and I just kicked her out. She put her horns underneath and push her body underneath. So we gotta fix that. Because this is the part that was... She tear up yesterday. Tore them. Nick and now. Everything they eat down. Everything. All the plantains, coconut, and bananas. Oh, and the mango tree. They don't touch the lime, but they got the mango tree. And they pulled out a whole coconut. This was a guinea. It's dry season, so the expectations. You see how big it was? But it will grow back. So now, what I tell y'all, as soon as I turn my back, come on, let's go. Come on, Lucky Land, you can't be doing this. That's what I figured. She want to eat, but still. She already eat out everything else, so. Alright. Feed. So look, y'all. We got ducklings
cute
God.
little lovable duckling.
Look at them. Oh my goodness, this is perfect.
And super adorable.
They are.
I never seen a duckling before, and I see my first duckling.
In your.
No. Get him out.
There they go. Hey, calm down. See the mommy came? You see the parents came to protect them? That's what we do for you. Wow, freaking adorable, y'all.
Super adorable. Aw. Oh, cute. Cute. Oh,
The proof. The proof is in the pudding.
Yeah, the pudding is good. Pull it.
And now look at the kids following her. Hey, Bo, don't you dare. Bo.
Too late.
Too late. Watch them.
I just thought that